today?
Good, how are y'all?
Good.
Good.
Alrighty, are we looking for any wax or platinum repel shield with our platinum and titanium washes?
Not today.
Okay, yeah. So our base washes are more simple. You get tire shine and the wheel polish underbody rinse in our base plus, and then you get soap and water in the base.
Okay, I'll do the base plus.
Yeah. Would you like to leave a tip for the staff today?
Not today.
Am I like about to lose my job?
I hope not.
Good God, I'm being recorded.
No. He just likes car washes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What membership then? Who likes car washes?
We do all different car washes. Yeah, so we can't really like commit ourselves to one particular place.
I got you.
Yeah.
Well, do we have a favorite thus far?
We've actually been to several Mr. Car Washes, and you guys always do an amazing job.
I love that.
Yes, absolutely. Thanks, y'all.
You have a good day.
You too. Thank you.